Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee Nestle. Start by gathering your simple ingredients. You'll need 1 to 2 teaspoons of your favorite instant coffee granules, depending on how strong you like your brew. Next, heat about 6 to 8 ounces of water to a temperature between 175 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid boiling it too vigorously. Finally, have your sugar, milk, or creamer on hand for customization. Now for the mixing, place your 1 or 2 teaspoons of instant coffee into your mug. If you like it sweet, add your desired amount of sugar now. Carefully pour the hot water over the coffee and sugar. Stir thoroughly for about 10 seconds until all the granules are completely dissolved. This ensures a smooth, flavorful base for your delicious coffee. This is where you make it truly yours. Add a splash of warm milk or your favorite creamer for a richer, smoother texture. For a special touch, you can even froth your milk to create a lovely, cafe-style experience. Give it a taste and feel free to adjust the sweetness or creaminess until it's absolutely perfect for you. To elevate your instant coffee, always use fresh, filtered water for the cleanest taste. A quick tip: preheat your mug with hot water before brewing. This helps keep your coffee warmer for longer. Don't be afraid to experiment with various instant coffee blends to discover new flavors and find your ultimate favorite. Enjoy your perfectly made cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.